What's going on, guys? It's Becca Switzer with Roof Cells Mastery and author of Diamonds in the Sky. And today we're going to talk about success. And most people, if you're doing anything with your life, have a goal or many goals that you're trying to achieve, whether it's professionally, with your career, or some, adventure that you want to do, physical feats you want to accomplish, whatever it is, something that you want to learn, master, become a professional at, compete in, whatever it is. And here's the cold, hard facts, folks. There is no secret sauce to success. You only need two things. No matter what you're trying to do, it literally always boils down to two simple things. One, identifying what needs to be done. And two, executing that by whatever means necessary. That means when you don't feel like it, when you're tired, when you're sick, when it's too hot, when it's too cold, when it's muddy, when you're sick, okay? There's only one thing that separates the people who are achieving incredible things and you, if you're not that person yet. Literally the only thing separating you is they are doing it no matter what. They're getting shit done no matter what, no matter how hard it is, no matter what kind of disadvantage they feel like they have, no matter what mood they're in, no matter where they're starting, no matter how long it's going to take, they just get it done. And that's it. It doesn't matter what it is. For some people to achieve a certain goal, it might take a lot longer. It might be a lot harder than other people who have natural talent, okay? And of course those things exist. Like if you're going to be trying to do a physical feat and you're naturally taller or you have longer legs, whatever it could be. Okay, use your imagination. But for the most part, if one person has done something on this planet, you can do it too. There is a way. So stop looking for the secret formula to it. Like, oh, maybe if I can change this about... maybe if I take the right vitamins. No, just find out what needs to be done and then do that. Now there are shortcuts, of course, learning from people who have mastered it, okay? Finding systems and roadmaps that have already been laid before you so that you can follow those, all right? That way you're not just blindly doing trial and error and things of that nature. But guys, the biggest thing is it just comes down to doing it no matter what. And I actually was just reading, I'm not even reading the book right now, my boyfriend was reading it, but I was over his shoulder reading a couple pages. I can't remember the name of the book, but it's by David Goggins, and he's this dude that, he's like a Navy SEAL and has done a bunch of crazy stuff, like mind-boggling physical and mental feats. The whole book's about mental toughness. And I remember what I was reading was he wanted to join the Navy SEALs. And he weighed 290 pounds at the time. And to join, the maximum weight was 175 pounds. So he had to lose 115 pounds in 3 months. What? Most people struggle to lose 10 pounds in 3 months. And this dude had to lose 115 pounds in like 90 days or something like that. And he was getting up every single day. I think he started by running 2 miles and then going to the gym, lifting for 2 hours, swimming for 2 hours, running for 2 more hours or 2 more miles. And it was just never ending. And then 2 hours on the stationary bike. This dude was literally exercising for 12 hours a day or something. That's hard shit. And he was eating a chicken breast and a potato. Okay. And the reason that that's such an incredible thing is because it doesn't take a special person to do that. It just takes a decision. He was feeling like shit every single day, absolutely worn down, exhausted. He was dealing with depression. He was tired. He was feeling weak. He was shedding insane amounts of body weight every single day in order to achieve this goal. And he did it, by the way, which is absolutely incredible. But you know what? If he only showed up on the days where he felt like it, he'd be 290 pounds right now. And he wouldn't be a Navy SEAL, okay? So I need to read the rest of the book to be able to contribute more. But guys, if David Goggins can work out for 12 hours a day and lose 115 pounds in 3 months, you guys can get up and do whatever the hell it is that you need to do to achieve your goals, put it into perspective. Most of the shit you need to do is not that hard. It just takes time. So do it no matter what. Identify what needs to be done. Execute by any means necessary. Key to success. There is no secret. As always, subscribe to the YouTube channel. You can visit the website roofsalesmastery.com and keep it crunchy out there, you guys. Go kick some ass. Make yourself proud. Be rare. Be somebody that does something special and doesn't excuse it away by, all the mundane reasons why you can't. Just show the fuck up, get shit done, and you will be rewarded for that.